While braking, Laura feels like her car is pulling to the left and one wheel feels like it's blocked. Anne also has a problem with a wheel. It doesn't break down and the car is dangerously skidding. Sarah, on the other hand, notices that the brake pedal goes down too easily, deeper than usual. Quickly, we need to bring the car to a garage. The diagnosis is clear: ABS problems. Buying a new one would cost more than $1,500. It seems like it would be better to buy a new car. Luckily, the garage relies on DIPA Sport, which remanufactures over 5,000 ABS systems every year, solving all kinds of problems. Oil leaks, broken hydraulics, ABS electric motor or ECU, it makes no difference for DIPA Sport. Ask your local spare parts shop or garage for DIPA Sport products.